The Sheridan Grill Gazebo was sold at Sam's Club. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GG040PST or LGC040PST-A. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x5, two-tiered with a domed curved roof structure. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are finial ornament at top of gazebo, 2 shelves on each side, geometric design on bottom half of corner panels, mosaic tile on top shelf, arched bar design around perimeter of frame. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Sheridan Grill gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.